We have a larger stock of chillers than anyone else in North America. And so when a client does have an emergency need, we can respond very quickly and save them literally thousands and thousands of dollars on a rental chiller. A small rental chiller costs $20,000 a month.
June, we had a storm that hit, knocked out a transformer that caused power surges to the whole neighborhood and fried our brand new chiller.
We were able to set them up with a temporary chiller, a rental chiller, and get them up and running immediately to get cooling back to the tenants. And we moved the install up 3 months.
So there was no delay or really any issues for any of the tenants during midsummer. You know, we just knew this was probably a great sign for a longer-term partnership.
If we were going to go buy these on our own, we would not only have to wait 10 to 12 months, it would cost us 4 to 5 times as much as well on an initial capital outlay. And so that was really beneficial for us as well.